Why does your scanner show the P0059 engine code? What does it mean? P0059 is a diagnostic trouble code for H02S heater resistance, Bank 2, Sensor 1. The P0059 engine code means the powertrain control module has detected a malfunction in the heater circuit of the upstream pre-catalytic converter oxygen sensor on Bank 2, Sensor 1. Specifically, the heater's electrical resistance is out of the specified range. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: failed oxygen sensor, damaged wiring, blown fuse, corroded connectors, poor ground. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Lincoln, Nissan, Lexus, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.